Hi everyone, I am Divya from AID's department, Velara College of Engineering and Technology. A binary search tree is a binary tree in which for every node, all the values in the left subtree are less than the node values. All the values in the right subtree are greater than the node values. Both left and right subtree are also binary search trees. Every tree is a balanced binary search tree. Here we are going to calculate balance factor. The balance factor ranges from either -1, 0 or 1. If the balance factor is equal to 0, it is said to be perfectly balanced node. If the balance factor is +1, the left subtree is one level taller. If the balance factor is equal to -1, the right subtree is one level taller. Balance factor equal to height of the left subtree minus height of the right subtree. After each insertion or deletion operations, the AVL tree checks the balance factor of each node. If it is not balanced, we use rotations operations to make the tree balanced. Rotation is the process of moving the nodes either to the left or right, make the tree balanced. There are basically four types of rotations. They are LL rotation, left rotation, RR rotation, right rotation. Both LL rotation and RR rotation is considered as a single rotation. LR rotation, left right rotation, RL rotation, right left rotation. Both LR rotation and RL rotation is considered as a double rotation. There are four operations are there. They are insertion, deletion, search, rotation. LL rotation is performed when right side of the node becomes too tall compared to left side. The balance factor is equal to -2 for node A. The balance factor is equal to -1 for node B. The balance factor is equal to 0 for node C. From the first example, the first one is considered as an right unbalanced tree. So we have to perform left rotation. After that, we get a balanced tree. RR rotation is also known as right-right rotation. It is performed when left side of the node becomes too tall compared to right side. The balance factor is equal to 2. The balance factor for node A is equal to 2. The balance factor for node B is equal to 1. The balance factor for node C is equal to 0. Left unbalanced tree is created. After we have to perform right rotation in this tree, then we get the balanced tree. LR rotation. LR rotation means left right rotation. First we have to perform left left rotation and then we have to perform right right rotation. Then we get the balanced tree. Right left rotation is also known as RL rotation. First we have to perform RR rotation, then we have to perform left left rotation. After that we get an balanced tree. Here we going to perform insertion. Insert 1. Then we have to check the balance factor for node 1 is equal to 0. If balance factor is 0, the tree is balanced. Next we are going to insert 2. 2 is greater than 1, so we have to place 2 on the right side of 1. Then balance factor for 2 is checked and the BF is equal to 0. And the BF for 1 is equal to -1. Tree is balanced. Then we are going to insert 3. 3 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 2. So we have to place 3 on the right side of 2. Then we check the balance factor. The balance factor for 3 is equal to 0. The balance factor for 2 is equal to -1. The balance factor for 1 is equal to -2. Tree gets imbalanced. To balance the tree, we have to perform LL rotation. After performing the LL rotation, the tree gets balanced. Then we are going to insert 4. 4 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 3. 4 is placed on right side of the 3. Then we have to check balance factor for each node. The tree gets balanced. Then we are going to insert 5. 5 is greater than 2, 5 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 4. So we have to place 5 on the right side of 4. 3 is imbalanced. The balance factor for 3 is equal to -2. The balance factor for 4 is equal to -1. The balance factor for 5 is equal to 0. To balance the tree, we have to perform LL rotation at the node 3. Then the tree gets balanced. Then we are going to insert 6. 6 is greater than 2. 6 is greater than 4. 6 is greater than 5. Then we have to place 6 on the right side of 5. The balance factor for 6 is equal to 0. The balance factor for 5 is equal to -1. The balance factor for 4 is equal to -1. The balance factor for 2 is equal to -2. Tree gets imbalanced. To balance the tree, we have to perform LL rotation at node 2. Then we get the tree balanced. Consider this is a balanced tree. We are going to perform deleting operations. In this, we are going to delete node 7. Then the tree becomes imbalanced. After deleting 7, the tree will be like this. Then the tree becomes balanced. Here we are going to delete 11. The tree gets imbalanced at node 4. The balance factor for 13 is equal to 0. The balance factor for 12 is equal to -1. The balance factor for 4 is equal to 0 minus 2 equal to -2. Then we have to perform LL rotation. After performing LL rotation, the tree gets balanced.